Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? I got a package from Japan actually, which I ordered when I was away in Croatia. Someone I know told me about this, and I wanted to buy these because I wanted to support the band in general. So I'm gonna unbox this and see what's up. And I'm gonna try not to dox myself. Because that would be very unnecessary to do that to myself. Actually got this one. You might have known about this. A lot of paper. Oh, this one was expensive. I got two actually. So I'm probably gonna open them up. This one is lighter than the second one. Gonna open them up. Whoops. God damn. Profit card. I'm gonna put that away. Profit card. How to play Karuta battles. Uh, 10 BABYMETAL years CD. And I've got a desk, some cards. So this might be the Karuta battle cards. Probably gonna put these away for a little bit and put the CD back. And I got some. This might be the. I'm gonna see what this is all about. I must admit that these are quite expensive. Oh, it's just a... Oh, it's a mat. Nice. As I said, these are quite expensive. I think I paid about at least $110 just for customs for these two, and I think I paid like $400 for both of these packages. So the second box. see what this is all about. I don't think I should unravel that one, unless I'm guessing it will be the cover in a oh no, I broke it. God damn. Totally destroyed the package. God damn. There we go. Is this the vinyl? Yeah, it totally looks like a vinyl. Awesome. I think I'm gonna open it up just to see if it's true. As I said, these are expensive stuff. Oh, there we go. Didn't have to cut it open. There were some cards falling over. Got 2 profit cards. Oh! It was actually some CDs. 10 years limited edition. And the second one is actually a book with a lot of awesome pictures. Might see that. This is just going to be a collection. So, gonna put these back in the box. If I can do it properly. Here we go. So there you have it. It's over 9 minutes long. Holy macaroni. Gonna put these back in their respective boxes. So I don't lose any items. Sorry about this. Sorry about this. So, as I said, I got 2 different kinds of limited editions. 2 boxes. Comment below what you think. You can like and subscribe if you want to. Comment below if you want to support my channel. You can buy some merch in the merch shop. Comment below. Otherwise, peace out.